Hello everyone and welcome back. Today in this video we will discuss on IUPAC nomenclature. In the first part where we will only discuss on the importance of IUPAC nomenclature. In the following videos we will discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of various organic compounds or systems. Now first let us look at what is nomenclature. In general, nomenclature means a system of naming things. For example, every human being has names to identify one individual from others. We have pet names or official names. Similarly, plants, animals, compounds, chemicals, medicines are also known by certain names. Plants and animals, as you know, are known by common names and also by scientific names. Common names vary from place to place, but their scientific names are same everywhere in the world. For example, hibiscus. The scientific name for hibiscus is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. But if you consider a common name, it has various common names: China rose, shoe flower, Chemberti in Malayalam, Jaba in Bengali, Jashwanti in Marathi, and so many other names. But the scientific name is same everywhere in the world. In this video, we were going to restrict ourselves to learn how to name organic compounds. So let's see how we can name organic compounds. Organic compound also have common name and IUPAC name or systematic name. Let's first discuss about common name. Earlier, substances were named based on their smell or their natural source. Many of these names are still used today as common name, like citric acid is named from the acids which are obtained from citrus fruit. Similarly, formic acid are named from red ants, as the Latin name for ant is formica, and so the acid is named as formic acid. Just as our pet names, common names are more convenient to be used and most often used instead of systematic name or IUPAC name. Systematic names are usually lengthy and complicated. But there is a need for systematic name of organic compound to establish an international standard of naming compounds to facilitate communication. The systematic way of naming organic compounds provide a systematic name to the organic compound. The systematic way of naming the organic compounds gives a systematic name to the compound. But who gives the systematic name? How do we get the systematic name? The systematic name can be given to an organic compound by following certain guidelines and rules which are set forward by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, in short form IUPAC. And that is the reason why systematic names are also called IUPAC name or IUPAC nomenclature. What is the importance of IUPAC nomenclature? Systematic way of nomenclature will give each structure a unique and unambiguous name, and each name a unique and unambiguous structure. The systematic name or IUPAC name is a preferred way to name a chemical because each IUPAC name identifies exactly one chemical. You will understand this better if I explain it with an example. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a white compound first obtained from the bark of the willow tree. The scientific name of the tree is Salix spp, and therefore the acid is known as salicylic acid. But does this name tells us about the structure of the compound, or do you get any hint about the structure of the compound from the name salicylic acid? I'm sure your answer is no. But let's look at the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name for salicylic acid is orthohydroxybenzoic acid. The moment we know the IUPAC name, now see, you can immediately draw the structure of the compound. The structure will definitely contain a benzene ring having carboxylic acid group, and that is why it is called benzoic, and a hydroxy group or a OH group at a position just next to the carboxylic group, and that is why the name is orthohydroxy. Therefore, the structure of salicylic acid is this. I'll tell you another example. Propanol. Propanol is a common name for a 3-carbon containing compound having alcohol group, OH group. But the name does not say the position of the OH group. See, this is a 3-carbon compound, but you don't know where to place the OH group. But if you go to the IUPAC name, if the IUPAC name is 1-propanol, it clearly indicates that the OH group is at one position. Whereas, if the IUPAC name is 2-propanol, clearly states that OH group is at 2 position. Look at the structure of 1-propanol and 2-propanol. So what can we conclude? We can conclude that IUPAC names are usually lengthy and complicated, but still it is a preferred way to name a chemical. IUPAC name gives each structure a unique and unambiguous name, and each name a unique and unambiguous structure. That's all for today. Before I end, I want to end with a quote by Swami Vivekananda on focus. Focus is one of the important elements towards success. So, Swami Vivekananda said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Thank you and bye-bye.